Ever wondered how your phone's voice assistant pulls out specific details from a text, or how search engines highlight names in articles? That's information extraction at work, a critical but complex challenge in AI. Traditional systems, though useful, are like overburdened students. They require massive human input to learn rigid rules and struggle when faced with unfamiliar topics. Imagine training a model to identify politicians in news articles, then suddenly asking it to do the same for scientific research papers. The language shifts, the patterns change, and the model falters. That's why researchers are pushing for a breakthrough: zero-shot learning, where models tackle new tasks without explicit examples. But even that has limits. Enter GuideX, a revolutionary approach that lets AI teach itself how to extract information from any document without human-labeled data. Think of it as a self-directed learner that reads thousands of papers, deciphers hidden patterns, and crafts its own rules for extracting key details. Here's the process. First, the system ingests a batch of documents from a new domain, say medical research. It doesn't just scan the text. It summarizes the core themes, like a student highlighting critical sections of a textbook. Then it transforms that summary into a structured format. Imagine organizing a chaotic notebook into labeled sections with clear headings. Next, GuideX generates its own annotation guidelines. Instead of relying on manually crafted rules, the AI creates precise instructions, such as identify all drug names and the conditions they treat. Finally, it synthesizes labeled examples, real-world instances of these rules in action, without any human intervention. Why does this matter? When tested, GuideX outperformed traditional methods by up to 7 F1 points, without a single human-labeled example. Even when combined with existing datasets, it still surpassed competitors. This means models can now adapt to entirely new domains autonomously, bypassing the bottleneck of manual data labeling. So the next time you see an AI handling a complex task, remember, it might be powered by a little AI-driven ingenuity called GuideX. The future of information extraction just got a lot smarter.